Hi, this is Carlos Cousins. The present question is asking for the best wording of this portion, cells, thus. The problem with answer choice A, if you're thinking that this was correct, is actually the punctuation mark here. We can't have a semicolon unless we're going to have two independent clauses on both sides of it. That means that we're going to have a subject and a verb, potentially an object, on one side, and then again a subject, a verb, potentially an object on the other side. What we have here instead is an SVO over here. These dendrites, subject, form, verb, connections, object, and then we have our semicolon, thus enabling the brain. There's no subject. We simply have this enabling verb here. So because we don't have a subject, we don't have a full independent clause following the semicolon, this one is wrong. Answer choice B looks a little better. The problem is we can't have a semicolon and an and in between two independent clauses, even if what follows an independent clause. But here again, we have a dependent clause, not an independent clause, so the semicolon would still be wrong. And then answer choice C says cells, comma, and thus they enabling. Oh, if it said they enable, this would have been correct. Still, it looks a little longer than the last answer choice. So for concision, answer choice D would have been better. But they enabling the brain is not what you want. When you have a subject here, you actually want the verb to be conjugated in the present, and thus they enable the brain to receive and use information. So because it says enabling, this would not be correct. And that makes answer choice D the best answer choice. I hope that helps with this problem, and happy prepping.